take your razor off. You take your comb. You make a groove at the top with the razor. Just keep doing this. You see this? Just keep making this groove until you keep going until it you get a groove for the blade. Okay, I got a groove for the blade. Slide the blade in there real careful like. Get it started here. Come on. Okay, now you got it like that. This one side could be down a little bit farther in the groove. Anyway, take a lighter, nail along the groove where the blade's at. So it's nice and now you got your weapon out. Got your weapon now. And this is mainly just for self-defense. You know, unless you hit somebody just right, it's not going to do them in. Like, you could get them on the neck, and if you hit them in the right spot, they're pretty much done. But other than that, it's just, you know, you're defending yourself with it. Next video, I'll do one on a steel or maybe plastic. I don't know which one yet, but I'll do another one. You can also put these razor blades on toothbrushes. We've done that before too. Well, I never have, but I've seen others do it. I carried, at one point I had one made of plexiglass, and another point I had one that made of plastic. You know, just like a plastic spoons put together and then sharpened. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Thank you for watching.